Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen, Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen. But do you recall the most famous reindeer of all? Come on! Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny...
So today I'm just using the WetLine Extreme Gel, and I'm just going to see how it works for my wash and go on my short natural hair. So I'm just going to part the back of my hair right now just to get the rest of it out of the way, and I'm going to clip the top. And then first I'm going to use this mango butter grease hair oil for my scalp, and I'm going to also coat that on my hair strands and then use the WetLine Extreme on top and see how it works. So this is me putting the WetLine Extreme on top, and I'm basically coating that through my hair strands and, you know, dragging it through with my fingers, and then I'm going to use my fingers to coil my curls to get them to come out better. So this is my hair. I got all the sides and around the back, and now I'm just doing the crown of my head, and I thought this would be easier for you guys to see. Also, I'm just using my spray bottle to keep my hair extremely moisturized, so just adding more water, and then I'm showing how I part my sections. I'm going a little bit smaller than down the bottom because this is the part of my hair that curls a little looser, so I have to be more precise with my coils. And like I said, I added the hair butter, and then I'm going in with the WetLine Extreme again. As you can see, some parts of the WetLine Extreme end up clumping. The gel itself, it like gets lost on my hair strands. So I just go back over with my finger and smooth it out, and it works perfectly fine. You can see I'm just showing over and over again just how exactly I clump my curls. So I'm just literally wrapping my hair around my finger several times, and then I'm letting it go, and it springs down, you know, revealing the natural curl. And I'm literally just taking a clop of the gel and then putting it on the full section, and then using the excess on my hands to separate the curls. And this is just a little close-up of what my curls look like. It's a little blurry, but so now I'm at the front, and I'm doing the same thing over and over again. I'm just going to show in slow motion exactly what I'm doing again. And I'm definitely letting my hair part itself, so I'm just letting my fingers feel for the natural separation, and those curls come out the best that way because it's what your hair naturally wants to do already. Some of the sections are super small, some of the chunks are super big. It just depends on where my hair naturally parts. I'm just feeling for it, not really being perfect about it. My arm was getting tired. And I'm literally just doing the same thing over and over again. And now I'm shaking my hair out. Gotta clump your curls together. And I'm just showing a faster version of what I already did, just a little bit closer, a different angle, whatever. My hands are in the way, but yeah, same old. And those parts that you see, I'm not sure if you can tell, but where I was saying like the gel glops up like a piece of the gel just sits. I just went back through my hair and pulled it through, like I said, and recoiled it with my finger, and it went right away, and it didn't have any problem absorbing. And I just kept adding more water as my hair started to dry, and more gel. So I would put that gel that I had on my hand, and then just putting it all through that section that I had until it was gone. As you can see, like my front curls are very more springy than the back, and my sides are more coils. These are more like ringlets in the front, so I have to be more precise in the sections that I use. So not really about the parting, but specifically the smaller sections to get them to really be defined. So this is the last section, the last curl, and as you can see, my hair looks super duper defined. It's super wet and the curls just look so delicious. So I'm just giving you a close-up, and I'm shaking my head a million times just so my curls can come together. For some reason it just helps. I don't know. You look crazy, but still, you cute. And that's it. Okay, so I just finished my hair. It looks pretty good so far. The back is actually drying faster than I thought it would. So I'm gonna say I don't know if I don't like it. I do like this gel. It's actually really slippery, and it works even better once your hair is all the way wet. It works really good on dry, but I like that it's like moisturizing. It's very moisturizing on top of your hair. So it's not like Eco Styler in the fact that like it's gonna open up, it's gonna curl your hair, but Eco Styler kind of just, it goes into your hair, but Eco Styler kind of just like, it's just for that forming of the curl. Like it doesn't do anything for your moisture. Like this, I feel like I could use this. I can just put this on my hair without any like cream or oil or anything, and it'll be fine. Like my hair won't be desert dry. So I want to see how it's going to actually turn out. I feel like I'm kind of worried because I really like crunchy curls. I love when my hair is super defined. It looks very defined, but I have a feeling that my hair is going to dry really soft, and I don't know how long that's going to last. Like soft curls don't really do well in my hair. Like it's probably not going to last more than a day or two. I don't know. I'm drawing a lot of conclusions, but I really like the way this feels. It's very slippery, a lot of slip, not a lot of residue. I don't feel like I'm going to get a lot of residue on my hair, because even the back part that is dry, like the parts that is dry, it's not super defined because I didn't do the back in like super small sections. I didn't start small sections till I started getting farther up. But only thing that I have in my hair besides that is this mango butter hair pomade, and it's 100% pure and natural with moisturizing, softening, restoring properties, and it's infused with Jamaican castor oil. So this is just like basically a grease, and it smells really good. It's basically a grease. I was just trying to find something to put in my hair because that Curl La La wasn't really working, and I didn't want to go buy something else. So the Curl La La didn't work with this when I first tried this, so I had to go back and re-moisturize my hair, redo it, all that stuff. I let my hair marinate, and then I came back today, the next day, and tried to use this product again. So yeah, I'm about to let my hair dry and show what it looks like. Okay, so my hair is pretty much dry. It's like, I want to say 70%. The top is a little wet, that's about it, but for the most part my hair is pretty much dry. So I just wanted to come on here and give my last few thoughts. So overall, I really like the gel. The WetLine Extreme is really good, and it's a little bit better than Eco Styler, like I was saying earlier. So Eco Styler is very drying, so it creates a lot of flakes, and even on my drier parts, the parts that are completely dry, I don't see any flakes. Only thing is, I was about to say it doesn't give me as much definition, but I have the same amount of definition that I would get if I did, you know, use Eco Styler. So it's the same definition. I was going to say, like, usually on my second day, that's when I decide to like let it fluff out. I'm just excited to see how it lives with me for the next couple of days, because sometimes when I do Eco Styler, because it flakes so much, I'm unable to wear it for more than about 2 or 3 days, because even when I try to refresh it, the flakes, the residue and the flakes come back. So I'm just really I'm satisfied. Like, I really like my hair. I love the way it feels. It's kind of weird because, like, the back, I definitely didn't do a super defined look. I did big chunks, and then towards the front, that's when I got more precise and did smaller sections. So once everything is completely dry, I'll be able to really know. But so far, I think it's definitely worth the money. It was $3.29. I went to CVS and got this. They didn't have it in my grocery store, but this is like really good. It's really lightweight, so it doesn't feel heavy or overbearing on my hair. It didn't produce any flakes. And it has no extra residue, and it absorbed into my strands so easily. Like, I didn't have to worry about, you know, waiting for the color to change and all that. Like the blue, at first I was a little worried when I was putting it in, because I'm really heavy-handed with product. So I was kind of worried about that. But then as I was going, I saw it like basically disappearing into my hair, and that's always good. So it's moisturizing, and it's definitely very easy to absorb into the hair strand. So I really love my hair. It's moving, and basically, like, it's super defined, and I think it looks really pretty. So that's my review, and hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.
Me and my niggas, we ballin', ballin', we ballin', ballin', we ballin', ballin'.